What is the Bible? The Bible is the Word of God. It's the holy book. It's not just like a normal reading book. The holy book is split into two sections. The Old Testament, which talks about Genesis and the beginning of the world, and the New Testament, which talks about Jesus and how he came to save the world from sins. There's a total of 66 books in the Bible. The Bible has different genres, like songs, like stories, history, laws, and poems, and so much more. It also tells us what is wrong or right. Keep engrossing your minds in the Word of God. Bye, guys!